Here is the white beach of the Barangay Talolora, Palapag, Northern Samar. Dito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Talolora Bay, ang malapad na beach ng Barangay Talolora. Ayan. This is the beauty of the tropical beach of Barangay Talolora, Municipality of Palapag. And please don't forget to subscribe. This is your host, Ed Verano. Okay. And have a few look on the distance. Have relax and take a view. Okay guys, please subscribe and don't forget to comment and likes if you want, and I have it all for the day. Hasta la vista mga el amigos, mga waraynon all over the world. Be proud of our places in Samar. Thank you guys. This is your host Ed Verano.